Are women aware of the rights, opportunities given to them by the Constitution?
ஆக்சுவலி இப்போ நம்ம இந்தியன் கான்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் பிரகாரம் பார்த்தாக்கா மீன்ஸ் லைக் எஜுகேட்டட் லேடிஸ் அண்ட் த லேடிஸ் ஆர் ஒர்க்கிங் அவங்களுக்கு வந்து சில ரைட்ஸ் பற்றி தெரியும். பட் ஸ்டில் இப்போ வந்து ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஹவுஸ் ஒய்ஃப்ஸ் இல்லை நம்மளுடைய வீட்டில் இருக்கிற லேடிஸ்க்கு வந்து அவ்வளோ ஒன்றும் நம்ம கான்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் பற்றி தெரியாது.
As a woman, have they faced any difficulties in the society?
Women are actually been facing the difficulties since ages. They are not. If anybody says that they are actually, they are actually facing a lot of issues. No, they are not complaining. They are not doing anything wrong. But we are the ones, the society are the ones who have actually read them of their own rights and everything. So yeah, they face a lot of problems.
Remain an exploited gender in our country, even though they suffer a lot, because so many people are not aware regarding the rights. Some of the important rights are right to equality, freedom of speech and right to privacy.
Female sexual assault victims have the right to keep their identity anonymous. Women also have the right of free aid. That is, when a woman is undergone any sexual assault, she is allowed for free aid. Women are not allowed to be arrested during night times. Women has the right for virtual complaints, and also women have the right against indecent representation. For example, if anyone is objectifying women, that's punishable offense, and women has the right against being stalked. Okay, if anyone is following constantly without the interest of women, the actions will be taken against them. Women has the right for zero FIR to prevent the women and also to prevent the offender being escaped.
Women are not at all treated equally in our countries, where they keep a stop in some of the circumstances where women are not at all treated equally. In olden days, they were treated as slaves and dasis, so I say they are not treated equally.
India is a country where women is treated as goddess, but the problems that they face is right opposite to this concept. Because on one hand, women is treated as a goddess. On other hand, they have abused them endlessly and considered them as an inferior. Earlier, women used to face problems such as sati system, no widow remarriage, and Devadasi system, and many more. But now it is not at all prevalent. The new problems that they face are violence. Women against violence is a huge grave problem that is faced in India. It is happening every day in various forms.
Cars, from pin to flight, we have difficulties in all. From the clothes we wear to the degree we get. We are restricted in wearing the clothes which we wish to wear. We are at some point restricted from getting further educated. We are said to get married as soon as we reach the age of 18 years, especially in the rural areas. It's like a rule. And what more? We are not allowed to talk to an opposite sex person, a guy, whoever.
Yes, definitely women are aware about the rights given by the Constitution, but still in rural areas we can see there are some women who are unaware about all their rights and duties. The central government and the state government have launched many schemes in order to uplift the women socially and economically. Education alone can empower women in many ways, and enthusiasm of educated women can help to bring a change in the mindsets and the lifestyle of the next generation.
Every act of a woman is being judged by the society. Women are considered to be as inferior to men even today. Yes, definitely, I agree that there is a so-called positive change in the society's behavior towards the women. But once you visit to the rural area and you get to see the clear picture, because the change is just few number, it's not as a whole community.
I think the difficult time for a woman starts the moment she is born. No, the moment she is in a mother's womb. The mother is forced to abort her girl child because of family and society pressure. There are many difficulties faced by women in society, like dowry, rape cases, acid attacks, domestic violence, lack of education. There are so many.
Yeah,
in our Indian constitutions, women are not much aware and educated. They are not secure and safety also. Women are facing lot of problems through many issues regarding laws and rights. Most of them are affected. There is lot of domestic violence and no equality and no respect in our society. So many women are struggling for this equal rights and restrictions for independence.
No, not all women are aware of the rights provided by the Constitution. The reason being lack of education. I think awareness and education would help women to facilitate and know about their rights. I believe education would help women to strengthen and fight for their rights.
Are women treated equally in our country? ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೆಲವು ಮುಂದುವರೆದ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕು ಇಂಥ ಕಡೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ಸಿಟಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes, there are some criticism, there are some harassment, but if we have a strict constitution, strict laws, rules and regulations, our women will have safe and secure life.
பெண்களுக்கு என்ன உரிமை இருக்குது அப்படின்னு தெரியும். எப்படி தெரியும்னா, படிப்பறிவு இருக்கிற சிட்டில இருக்கிற பெண்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும். இதே கிராமத்துல மலைவாழ் மக்கள், இந்த மாதிரி ஆதிவாசி மக்கள், அந்த மாதிரி வாழ்றவங்க படிப்பறிவு இல்லாதனால அவங்களுக்கு தெரியும்.
We are aware of all the constitution rights which were being provided for the women welfare. Like there are reservations for women, and there are also certain laws and rights which were being provided for the women's safety, women protection.
Empowering women means raising the standard of women through education, creating awareness, spreading literacy, and training them to defend themselves.
Now, are we treated equally? I would say yes, but at the same point say no. India being a developing country, the mindset and attitude of people towards women is changing. But still, women are harassed at office, women are harassed at home, women are ill-treated in public, women are treated unequally, women are put down when taking decisions. Their opinions are not considered.
There is no country where men and women are completely treated equally. You all know that better. Some are better than the others, and there are countries where men and women are legally treated equally. But women still face sexist treatment and disproportionate levels of harassment and violence everywhere in the world.
Women these days are mostly aware of their rights and opportunities which is given to them by the Constitution. But when it comes to women who live in remote areas and who are not educated, are not mostly aware of their rights and opportunities. So they face lots of problems in society which actually leads to male domination. At the same time, though we say all men and women are equal, it's hardly seen in the practice. We can also see women who are put down in society at various situations.
When we delve into the crux of Vedas, it says Nari to Nari. Free and post-independent India, we can get clarification about women playing a prominent role in struggle for freedom India. Article 14 of the Indian Constitution enshrines for gender equality.